Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today I am getting to you guys your weekly Oshun healing message, and this all has to do with feminine energy, healing feminine energy, women's rights, things like that. So mostly this is geared towards women, but if you're a man, you're obviously welcome to watch this as well. So let's kind of see what's the message from Oshun, African deity of sweet water, creativity, and beauty. You guys can obviously honor her by wearing gold, which I have been doing lately, honoring your beauty, things of that nature. Reading. So Oshun, the energy of this week, wants you to read more, to focus more on further education. So some of you guys, like myself, are going to be applying for schools this weekend, starting schools in fall. November is kind of the energy that I'm getting. So a lot of you guys may want to look into furthering your education in some way, shape, or form. It doesn't have to be traditional school. It can be vocational. It can be holistic healing. It can be anything. Just further your energy, your education. It can be certifications, personal trainers, anything. It doesn't have to be conventional necessarily, but it's about bettering yourself. And just getting books that you would enjoy reading. Don't slack on sharpening your brain. And they want me to say some of you guys can get into the book How to Be a Bad Bitch by Amber Rose. Alright, so my cards are flying away. So some of you guys are very marriage oriented. Something that my guys want me to tell you guys today is consider buying a ring. I just got this one and put it on my ring finger because this is a way that I'm going to manifest my soulmate. And I always tell people I feel married already, but it's just about, you know, weeding out the people who don't fit your standards. So this can kind of remind you and set that standard of, like, you know, if they're not marriage minded, then I don't have no business fucking with them, kind of thing. But some of you guys need to remember that you are worthy of having the best and nothing less. So always keep that in your mind. You don't have to settle. You know, keep your standards high. The next card again is about taking breaks periodically. So if you're a hard worker, it's okay to take some days off, to take some time off. You may feel like you're falling back or not being productive, but sometimes we don't need to be working too much from masculine energy. We need to learn how to be receptive and feminine. Femininity is about receiving, going to flow, all of that good stuff. Again, meditating more, getting rest, drinking water, taking care of yourself, taking care of your beauty, nails done, whatever that means to you. Don't sleep on yourself. The last card here is, again, rest. A lot of you guys need to rest because you're probably getting ready for a time of travel. Some of you guys who have been running a small business could be getting on a larger scale to the point where after this month or so, or this week or so, you're going to be traveling much more often for work. So use this downtime as you can now. This might be the last bit of downtime you get for a while. So, and that's a good thing because there's a lot of money involved for this new transition. But rest while you have the chance and enjoy life more. Be playful, creative, and all that good stuff. As always, exercise your sacral chakra and consider investing in art. But yeah, with that being said, you don't be unapologetically. Peace.